Hey guys, Abbas here, and I'm going to showcase my gaming wiki website called titlecard. It's written in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I finished this project in early January, and it took me about 3 weeks of on and off development time. I used many web resources, but most notably the navbar, cards, and footer by Kevin Powell, and the slideshow along with other coding help by W3 Schools. It features 4 interlinked pages, with each page expanding on a specific feature. I used a dark blue and silver color scheme and the Roboto mono font. I wanted the website to have a retro and minimal feel. I started working on the platforms page, which has a list with internal hyperlinks that travel to each console down the page. You can notice that the cursor is a triangle that it changes to an eject icon when hovering over a link. Some fonts change size depending on screen width to make the website more responsive across devices. There are various images, and the images on the right are set as hyperlinks to other websites. I made this cool navbar that has animations and changes form when a certain screen width is reached. The page items collapse into this drop-down menu. These 4 pages reside on the same level in my folder structure. I tweaked the block animation to be quicker, and it seems like an old TV flash. I've included a favicon to each page if you see the tab. The games page has a dozen cards arranged in a grid that act as thumbnails to their respective pages, which don't exist yet as they would have taken longer than the deadline to produce. The grid separates the cards nicely, even moving items onto a new row when the screen width is limited. These are some games I liked, and even some favorites like Warframe and Halo Reach. They have some animations like scale increase, a small green block animation to garner user attention. The About page aims to be informative and casual to attract new people to the gaming ecosystem. I made a little rhyme here if you can see. DS to Wii, then Xbox 360 and PC. So nice. There are several divs which just helped me separate the content out in space, text and images on the page. Lastly, I finished with the footage page. It was intended to show videos as a long carousel like on YouTube channels, even include images as a gallery. In the end, I opted for a slideshow of game trailers which would still fit the theme of the website. I used iframe tags and embedded trailers for the games from YouTube, one for each game. There are buttons to cycle through videos. Overall, I'm quite pleased with this website, its theme and nifty features like iframes and CSS cards. To improve it, I would like to have made individual pages for each game, also to make a better gallery with images, a long carousel, or a masonry layout. A search bar would be useful, and maybe an API to show game and console prices. This would be insightful for the reader. Anyways, thanks for checking this out, guys, and I hope you liked it.